Introducing this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Offering a BraunAbility automatic fold-out ramp and kneel system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 90,000 miles. This conversion van does not come equipped with a passenger seat, as it is set up for the mobility user to position themselves in this spot with their wheelchair. With the touch of a button, your ramp and kneel will stow or deploy. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services.